and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to the Daniel Boone Historic Home and Village near Defiance, Missouri. There's this marker here. It says Boone Homestead, donated by Randall and Aline Andre. The Andre family owned the homestead for nearly 40 years. Then they donated it to Lindenwood University, and now I believe it is controlled by the state of Missouri, by the Park Service here. Now, Daniel Boone is most closely associated with the state of Kentucky, but he was an explorer, a scout. He founded the town of Boonesboro, Kentucky. But there were other places he lived during his life, and in his later life, he lived here in Missouri with one of his sons. And this area here in Missouri is actually the last place that Daniel Boone lived. So we've come here today to this historic site just to kind of check it out. Check that. It is controlled by the St. Charles County Park System. Have on display here in the gift shop some items from the USS Daniel Boone. The USS Daniel Boone was a James Madison class ballistic missile submarine, and it was the only ship ever in the U.S. Navy named for Daniel Boone. Now, Daniel Boone was anointed by the Spanish governor as a syndic and commandant, which made him a judge. He often held court underneath trees. These trees became known as judgment trees. Now, the remains of the one here, this tree was standing at least until the late 1950s. It was blown down because of a storm, but they've kept part of the remains of that tree here to look at. The holes you see there in the house, those are used for the scaffolding when this building was built. It actually has two walls. There's an outer wall and an inner wall. There is an actual portrait of Daniel Boone later in life. All of the fireplaces in this house were carved by Daniel Boone himself. beams here are original beams to the house. Now, most of these structures in the historic village, they were all brought here from other places within a 50-mile radius of the Boone home. So this was not an actual, these are not the actual structures all, except for, the Boone house that were actually here, but they were structures that were from nearby, and they've been set up to kind of give the feel of what a village, roughly in the early mid-1800s, would have been like. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you could help support this channel by either going to buy me a coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member at either one of those two places. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.